What's up, you guys? This is boy Seiko. How you guys been? Leave it down in the comments below, and I will reply back. All right, you guys. So on today's agenda, we're gonna take the timing belt off. Like I said in previous video, I'm gonna get the timing belt off. Probably most likely the tensioners, which for the most part, I'm gonna turn y'all around. Which for the most part, these don't look that bad. Looks like they're pretty new. But I'm still gonna, suggest getting all this brand new and, whatnot. So, yeah. But for the most part, we're gonna try to get this timing belt off, and then possibly the cam gears. I know for sure I'm gonna get this crank angle sensor off, and possibly, pause right there, and then probably do this like a two-part video, because I know he wants to get in on this too as well, and our schedule are like, different. So yeah, but yeah, you guys, so that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'll pick y'all back up. All right, you guys, so right now what I am doing, I got the time belt off, and that thing is so filthy. I was like, this is like really I'm OCD about stuff like this, even though it's gonna get new parts and stuff, but I'd rather just clean it up, kind of see what's going on. And yeah, so I'm gonna turn y'all around and show y'all how filthy it is on the oil pump and the block and the oil pan itself. That's how you know it's been in the car for years. So I'm gonna turn y'all around. Look at that, guys. Filthy. So I'm gonna spray some purple power on there, kind of rinse it off, and yeah. And then I see about the motor mounts in a second. So I just really want to get this front piece like somewhat clean, even though I know it's not gonna be clean. So yeah. All right, you guys, so we got the timing belt off, cam gears off, motor mounts off, which that one right there, this one right here, that was a pain to get off. So I heated it up and had to knock it out, which it don't matter because we're not using these anyways, because we'll end up getting, we have some solid motor mounts here, I believe, somewhere. And I know one of them's in there somewhere, but the other one we have to find. But yeah, so yep, and that's probably where I'm stopping at, because it's about time for me to get ready to go to work. And yeah. But anyways, you guys, so that's how the motor is looking currently right now. It's filthy. Like, that's, like, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, if I had the day off, which next week I'm probably be off for like until next year. I think I want to say on the 24th, starting on the 24th. I won't be back to like the 2nd of January, I believe, or something like that. And yeah, I'm kind of like looking forward to that. That way I can focus on this and focus on the other cars and stuff. So yeah, so here I am back again, fooling with another VG. I don't know what it is with me and VGs, but it's just, I don't know. I guess it's like I said, I like to have a challenge. And yeah, so yeah, you guys, I know my videos have been all over the place. Like, you have Mexico action, you have, us working on Kobe Z, and now we have this motor and my bed. I know y'all been kind of wondering like what's going on with that. You know what, I'm gonna say that for next year. But I do have, like, I have parts still on the way for that car. Yeah, so that's all I gotta say. But for the most part, you guys, that's all I've been doing, just busting butt, trying to get all these cars ready and stuff. And yeah, it's it's a work in progress, and you learn a lot and all this jazz. And yeah, you can't really complain about what's going on. If life happens, you can't control that either. Like, for instance, like, can't just always throw money at cars all the time. If you got anything else you gotta handle, I mean, just handle it. It ain't no point in trying to rush anything. That's the thing, that's the whole point of doing cars. You don't have to prove nothing to nobody. You don't have to show nobody nothing. Build your car for yourself. You don't have to build anything for nobody else. If they don't like it, cool. Later on down the line, they'll be like, oh, well, dang, this and that, blah blah blah. And then who knows, they end up liking the car and all that. I don't care. I built my car for me. You build your car for you. I don't care. My opinion is my opinion. Your opinion is your opinion. So at the end of the day, that goes to like any one of y'all, like that's kind of like dealing with that, you know, scenario. I mean, a car is a car. At the end of the day, that's what brings us all together as a car community. But I don't want to get on here and be all, you know, talkative like that. But it's just, you know, stuff like this it's relaxing, and that's why I like doing these modes, I guess, because it teaches you a lot about life. Yeah, like I was saying, it teaches you a lot about life because you gotta have patience. And if you don't have patience, nothing's good gonna come your way. And yeah, so I'm gonna probably pause it right here, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. I'll probably get him to record some clips of him, you know, taking off parts on here, and I can add it in here. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so we got the heads off, and it's been like 2-3 days later after we took the heads off, so we've been busy with work and everything, and holidays. So that's how it's looking right now. It's a short block. That's cylinder number 2. It don't look too bad, but it got little heat surfaces on it, as you can see right there. And then number 3, come on, hit number 3, cylinder number 3. You can see it's got little heat surfaces on it too as well. I'm gonna blow all that stuff out of there. So then number 5, it don't look too bad. And then number 6 back here, it looks decent, but it needs a little bit of cleaning up, as you can see. I'm gonna look at cylinder number 1 in a second. So as of now, probably gonna get the coolant bypassing house off and flip it around, get this oil pan off, and get the front the oil pump off itself. It should conclude this short block. That way you can see what the plans are for it. And yeah, I mean, overall, I mean, it's decently all right, but I mean, it'd be best to just refresh it and go back with a fresh motor. And yeah, so yeah, we'll pick y'all back up as soon as we finish. All right, y'all, so got the oil pan about ready to come off. You can tap it off there. It's gunky as hell, so gonna get this off, see how it looks down here. Need to try it. Oh. There. Here. Oof. What's in that? Oh, that's gunky. Yeah, it's got something in there. What is this?
Something, bro. What is that? You know what's talking?
A sealant. But it's something in here too. What is this though? Dirt?
Probably debris.
Debris. That's crazy. Got the years of beating on this damn motor. It don't look too bad in there. Don't look too bad. So, yep. Alright, you guys can see that. That's a, what you got? A damn puppy. But anyways, you guys, this is for the oil dipstick. And look what we found. This was in the drain, in the oil pan. And we was rattling. I was like, is that like metal or something in there? And sure enough, that's what it was this. And we have an extra one that he, I guess, supposedly put in there, but it was bent to shit. And that was in there. Now, if that would have got into the motor or something, yeah, that motor been screwed. So, yep. But as of now, that bottom end looks decent. And probably the next video, I'll probably do this as another video. You'll see this motor basically like a bare block. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, comment down below. Shit I should work on, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Race to the finish, push it to the limit, and we winning, and we winning. Speed, racing to the finish, push it to the limit, and we winning, yeah, we winning. Racing to the finish, push it to the limit. I'm speeding, racing.